Hey everybody, it's Neon. Check out what I have here from RSYSO. I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to put it down and take it out of the box. It's got address labels and stuff all over it. Okay, so here we go. In the box we have the helmet here. Sorry, I had to step in the box. It's a very windy day. Let's see if I can open this. Okay, so here we go. Here is our helmet. So if you're a motorcyclist, I think this will become handy for you. But look at this. Look how comfortable and stuff it looks inside here. Can't remember what size I got, but I'll show you guys it here in a second. Let me open this up. Yes, so we've got everything here. We've got a size. Let me see. I'll peel off this here because it talks about visor care and everything like that. We can put this, it says one touch integrated sun shield. So it's got the little sun visor inside of it as well. We'll peel off that as well. Okay, now we should be able to see through this thing. And it looks like it's got little clips here for things, I guess different ventilation and whatnot. And we have a light on the back. Let's see, get there. That so we can have the light going. Cool. And it says it's a DOT certified, so that's good. We have this is to control the visor, the sun visor coming down and up. Very handy. And then this one here, I guess, was just a manual. Pick it up. So it looks good. So let's go ahead and try this on. And fits me good. There we go. Okay, so I guess I have the sun, there, that's up. Okay, I don't know if you guys can hear me with this on. Hopefully you can, but it's good. It's got a little chin cushion there. I've got some breathability, but it is padding everything here. I would feel very safe in this. This is a really nice helmet. I can put down this visor here, and I see crystal clear. It is great. So totally crystal clear. And then here I can have it open. I can put down this one here for that or that. Yeah, you got all your different little versions of that. And then on top there were those little things here, I guess. I don't know exactly what those are for. But it's a nice helmet. Let me take this off. There we go. And there it comes off. Hopefully you could hear me. I don't know if you could hear me with it on, but I was saying it fits good. It's comfortable on the inside. It's got really nice padding, which is good. Some of the padding is just ridiculously hard on some of these different helmets, but this one's good. It's a really nice looking helmet. It does have, you know, all the super padding on the inside here, and I guess you could probably put other ones in there. You could take it out and clean it if you needed to. But it's a really nice helmet. I would say this is good if you're into motorbiking or motorcycling or anything like that. You're good. Oh, and I guess I got the size large. That's the size I have. So it's good. And then this is the rechargeable light on the back. I guess it didn't even come with the charger, did it? Maybe it did inside the bag. Let's see. Nope, but it did come with whatever this is here. This is just next to, it's like a visor guard. So you can put a little screen protector on your visor if you need to. So, kind of nice. So that is it for this helmet. So, nice looking helmet. Thumbs up, very good.